might know RICOH from Office Depot. They make things like printers, scanners, copiers, etc. Although we never got an actual sample of the whiteboard, we were able to play with it a little bit on the scene. This is the RICOH 42-inch whiteboard with an e-ink panel. It is labeled the RICOH 4200. It features a digital note-taking stylus layer and a live feed connected to a peripheral device, like a laptop, tablet, or computer. As you draw on the whiteboard, information transmits to the tablet and vice versa. This is the largest e-ink product in the world with a note-taking stylus layer screen. It's currently not available for consumers to purchase, and it costs thousands of dollars for businesses to adopt. However, it looked great. It performed well, and you can even scratch out the characters to delete them. And for such a large device, it was incredibly responsive. Good eReader was on the scene at CTech 2022 in Tokyo, Japan.